Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to turn off the traction control on an Acura RDX. This is a 2021 Acura RDX, and I'm going to show you where the traction control button is and how to turn it off. If you have an older version of the Acura RDX or a newer version, it's probably going to be very, very similar, so please pay attention. If you look where the steering wheel is over here, if you look to the left and down, there are a few different buttons to operate. These are basically the driver assist features and the various things that you might use. Now, if you look right here at this specific button, it shows a car sort of swerving and it says off. Now, if I push this and hold it down, it actually turns traction control off. And I'll show you in a moment what it looks like, okay? And if I want to turn it back on, I just push it, hold it down, and that beep tells me that it's back on. In addition to the audio sound that you get, if I push and hold it down, you can see it says vehicle stability assistance is off, which I'll explain in a moment. That means traction control is off. I can also turn it back on like that. Now, vehicle stability assist, VSA, what is that? Well, it is basically their version of traction control. Different car manufacturers take the idea of giving a car traction and they create a different name for it, and they include a few different features for the most part. They might differentiate how it works slightly between them. So for Acura, and Honda, it's called VSA, Vehicle Stability Assist. You can turn it off like that, and you can turn it back on. Now, with that being said, when you drive with traction control off, your car is way more likely to slip and slide and lose control. So keep in mind that I recommend that you drive with traction control or VSA, Vehicle Stability Assist, on, okay? If you're driving with it off, you're doing that at your own risk, and just be very careful, because when it's off, you're losing the traction that Acura is giving you. You're losing the traction control of the modern technology that they're giving you. So just keep that in mind. But that's how to turn it off and also how to turn it back on. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.